today's video, we will be picking out the winner of our giveaway. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. Thank you so much for all of your support in helping us grow our channel, and good luck to everyone who entered in this giveaway. Now, let's find out who is going to be the giveaway winner. To pick out the winner, we will be using a random comment generator where I paste the video URL and I filter out the comments based on who wrote #giveaway in their comment, and let's load them. Now we're going to click on the start button to see who won the giveaway. The winner is Flour, Eggs, and Yeast. Congratulations to the winner, Flour, Eggs, and Yeast. Please contact us to our Instagram in a direct message or our email with our address so we can send you your prize. Congratulations once again to the winner, Flour, Eggs, and Yeast. We hope you liked this video. Remember to stay tuned on our channel because we will be planning on hosting many more giveaways in the future. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed.